Hey everybody, today we're going to be experiencing what SEMA is like, and you're going to see the entire thing in this YouTube video. We're going to be going through the detailing section and through the entire different parts of SEMA as we're spending the next 2 days here checking out the event. Again, my name is Mike with Reynoso Auto Detailing. I run a detailing business, mostly mobile-based. We do a lot of paint corrections, ceramic coatings, window tint, PPF, pretty much everything. And we're going to spend the next 2 days at SEMA here checking out all of the advancements in the automotive industry and what we have in store and what's to come for the next year. So stay tuned for this video. Watch exactly what we're going to check out and some different demos of tools, products, and some new things that we have going on. So let's check it out. SEMA, I believe it's the largest automotive convention that happens, I believe, in the world, which is amazing because there's over 100,000 people here in I think it's 1 million square feet of different vendors from every single company in the automotive industry offering tools, products, anything for, especially for suppliers, for and any type of like working companies, for example, like a mechanic, somebody who does a tire shop, detailers, especially for my business, since we do detailing, all of the companies who provide the detailing products, the detailing tools are going to be here. So we like to come out here, check what we're doing out, and along with that, we're coming with H2O Auto Detail Supply. So we're checking out a lot of different things that could be good in store, what could sell well, what we could do better in terms of selling products and tools. So let's keep going on and see exactly what this journey entails. So let's introduce everybody. Alex, introduce yourself. Who are you? Who do you work with? What do you do?
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Alex here from H2O. I work at the H2O Ontario store, and we're representing H2O Auto Detail Supply. We're here in Las Vegas, SEMA. This is my first time being here. Very crazy ambiance. I've never been to any event like this before. It has a little bit of everything that I like, which I love. And there's a lot of newer stuff that I'm now starting to learn about, which is very cool. And I'm right here with my family and friends, which is really cool as well. And yeah. God bless everyone. Thank you for your introduction, Alex. All right, introduce yourself. Who are you? What do you do? And who do you represent?
What's up, guys? You already know it's your boy Hector over here at H2O Auto Detail Supplies. We're today at SEMA 24. We're pulling up to the West Hall. So I kind of already know what we're going to see, but maybe I get surprised. This is my surprise face. That's like a spy splash.
Yeah, we're going to do the splash meter.
But I'm honestly pretty tired. It is 3 p.m. There's 3 more hours left. Counting down. But I hope I find something pretty awesome in here. All right.
We're now walking into West Hall right here. As you can see, it's pretty much everything having to do with a lot more PPF, window tint, films. We have a lot of things like car manufacturers that do, for example, off-roading parts. I know, for example,
a whole lot of trucks.
Yep, a whole lot of trucks, winches, a lot of truck stuff, a lot of detailing stuff. We're about to get to the detailing stuff, so it's going to be the cool part that you guys have been waiting for. We're going to probably... What? Ooh. Let's check that out. 812? 812? In white? Dude, I never see them in white. Dude, in white is... Damn. Is this
Red guts.
Is this color PPF?
Of course. The wrap looks like shit though.
Huh?
The wrap looks like shit though.
Yeah.
It has like a bunch of like...
It's
too much texture.
3M. 3M doesn't look like paint. It looks like shit.
It's too much like texture.
No matter what, a lot of wraps don't look good. It's better. Color PPF looks more like paint. Look, watch. Right now we're gonna see UPPF and we're gonna see a bunch of other things. And for example, like UPPF, color PPF looks way more like paint than, for example, any other wrap. Like, for example, you do a vinyl wrap and it does not look as much like paint. We got Matico right here. Matico, they do, for example, like what's called Clearplex. Clearplex is a protective windshield.
Oh, wait, there's a little technician's choice.
Technician's choice right here.
I honestly do have a good question because I want to know how long their fucking coating lasts.
The coating lasts at what, technician's choice?
Yeah.
Is it an actual coating or is it like a detail spray?
Well, that's what we're about to find out.
Oh, we're gonna ask right now.
And honestly, it looked amazing on the vehicle.
I may have went overkill and probably put about 4 coats on the actual vehicle, when now talking to the professionals, and they said all I needed was 1 coat. And this is the actual graphene coating that can help protect your vehicle a lot better, but this is gonna last you about 2 years. So they are very similar.
We had to stop for some grub, for some grubbing. And came here by Big Daddy's barbecue out here outside of SEMA. You gotta take a good break and enjoy the food out here, especially in Vegas. It's very enjoyable. We got a lot of different things in the food court and outside, a lot of different vendors. So far, everything's been great here. Enjoying the lunch, and we're gonna get back to SEMA. It looks like the shows out here are already starting, where they're doing some drift burnout competitions, so we're gonna check that out. And so far, it's sounding pretty crazy. You gotta see this. We are walking over right now outside of SEMA, where they're already starting to do some drift events, some burnout events. So we're gonna see that. It's sounding crazy, and it's a good show. We gotta see this. So let's see exactly what this is all about, because it's about to get crazy. Stand right here so you can see better. Watch right there in between the people. Holy shit. So far it's insane. They got a bunch of Shelbys out here, and they're impressive drifters. We're gonna see some more. They're gonna do a lot more things out here. So not only are we seeing products, tools, new machines, new equipment, new advancements in technology, but we're seeing a lot of cool cars, a lot of cool things, and an amazing view of all of the different people from all around the world coming to Las Vegas, Nevada for SEMA. It's amazing. So far, loving it. Hope you guys get to see this or get to attend one day if you work in the automotive industry. And if you don't, then at least you're watching this video so you can see what this event is like. Yes, this event is exclusive to anybody working in the automotive industry, so I hope you guys get to see more. So these are the new flex machines right here that I've been super interested in, because they've been sending them to a lot of people out to test them, and so far I haven't gotten to test them. They look pretty cool, especially because they're 24 volts, so there's a good chance that they might be more powerful than the average corded machines, because they have a corded gear driven and they have a corded rotary as well, not just your regular dual action, random orbital. Como se siente es casi lo mismo de la potencia con batería.
Está brincando un poco porque no le echamos líquido,
Sí,
está seco.
sí.
Pero
Ahorita se siente que sí está seco, pero
ahí está full.
sí.
Llévala full. Llévala full para que te veas. Te vas a dar la potencia, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Llévala la tuya full. O sea, tú puedes escuchar que el motor está rendiendo básicamente al mismo nivel
Sí.
uno al otro. ¿Sí? O sea que... Pero esta tecnología no es nueva.
Sí.
Llevamos ya 7 años con nuestra tecnología de batería.
Por eso es tanto la diferencia que ya está comparado como este. Es decir, que tiene la potencia que sí compara con este. Wow. ¿Quieres comparar uno de estos? Sí. Pues gracias por su ayuda.
¿Ya has probado la pequeña, la 3 pulgadas?
Todavía no ha probado la pequeña esa.
Sí venden Eagle Blowers.
Es una compañía hermana de nosotros.
¿Qué edad?
Skills, Eagle y Flex son hermanos.
Y con la cuenta que tengo con ustedes, ¿puedo ordenar Eagle también?
Esa pregunta la puede responder Chris, de aquel lado. Él es el que está a cargo de los distribuidores.
¿Quién es el Chris?
Chris es el que está ahí.
and you'll see one of the options is subscription plan. And that'll give you this frequency option under the price, so then you can say like how frequently do you want them to be billed.
Okay,
so you would build it out here.
How frequently they would be billed at this point?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep. So you build out the subscriptions in here, and then you sell them to your customers. So technically, when you're selling a subscription, technically we do have the option in here where it would just take you through, okay, who's the customer, what is the subscription you're selling them, and how are they paying for it. Ideally, it would be Stripe or Square, so you have a card on file. So that's how you would activate it. So then that'll show up in here. So then that'll run, and then separately from that, you would create the repeat job, because assuming that, you know, they'd come in maybe like twice a month or something, whatever the maintenance deal is. So then over in the calendar, you can create just a repeating job, and within any of those jobs, in the line item section here, you'll see this apply adjustment button, and you'll see one of the options in there is to apply a subscription, and then it'll show if that customer has an active subscription, you select that.
That right there is how many is available.
Exactly. Yep. This will show their active subscription, and then you can say what you want it. This is of course a lawn care job, but you would say what line item you want that to basically zero out, because they're paying for it with the subscription. So that's how that would work. And then if it is a repeat job, this is like a little hack, because a lot of people, they'll repeat the job first and then go in and apply that subscription, but then that's not going to apply to the rest of the series. You'll have to keep like applying that to the job. So an easy way you can do this is before you ever repeat it, apply the subscription and then repeat it, and then in the whole repeat series, it's automatically applied in every single one of them.
Oh, I love that. I love that. That's okay. Yeah, because that's what I was really concerned about. I didn't get like how, you know, I would actually bill it and charge for the service. As for example, like if somebody were to try to do that online booking, should I offer that in online booking, or would that be?
Yeah, you totally could. Yeah, they can buy it right through there, because then when you're selling products on the virtual shop, I think I have clothing is my closest option here. I don't have any any subscriptions in here. But when they go to check out in here, it's a super simplified process. It's just, who are they? It'll match them up with an existing customer if they exist in your account. For the subscriptions, there won't even be an option here. It's just email. So they're not like doing in-shop pickup or anything, because it's not physical. But then they're paying for it right through here. And then that's what starts that like auto billing cycle.
Perfect.
Yeah, and obviously, I know there was a lot of information, so...
No, that helps out a lot. It clears it up, because that's exactly what I was concerned about, like the order of doing it, because I haven't launched it yet in my business, but I do want to launch that, because I have a lot of retaining and recurring customers already, and I want to retain them on a consistent basis. So like already just have them bill every month. It makes it easier.
Absolutely. And I definitely recommend, obviously we're booked up for this week, but starting next week, get on our schedule. You can book a live Q&A right through this option here, and then we can just jump on a video call, and maybe together we can just work through like, okay, let's build out one subscription and like get a customer activated on it, just so you can see what that process looks like, and then you can just kind of take it from there.
Okay, perfect. Well, I really appreciate that.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks so much for coming by.
So I just spoke with the awesome people at Urable over here, which is my favorite scheduling software. So they pretty much what they offer is a software service and a software business, where not only for detailers but also now for lawn care and a few other different businesses do they offer a service where you can schedule in your clients, make it a lot easier for you to, example, track your business, track, for example, customers, and retain everybody. So that makes it a lot easier. So I have the link down below in the description if you guys are detailers and do want a CRM, so a customer relationship management service or software, you can check that out in the link down below. I've never seen so many Cybertrucks all in one place. Oh my god. So this is a, wow, very special car. Koenigsegg is not something that you see every day. Honestly, I think this might be the first time I see a Koenigsegg in person, which is amazing. You can just see, look at that, at these completely carbon wheels. Insane for a Koenigsegg. Man, this is why we love to come to SEMA. Not only because we get to learn a lot of things about the industry, meet new people, network, but also to see the amazing cars, pieces of art that are here at SEMA. Koenigsegg, I believe this is a Jesco. I'm not super familiar with Koenigsegg, but man, as you can see, this thing is insane. We're finishing up for today. We're probably gonna split this video into maybe like 2 or 3 parts. And as you can see, got the homie over here, MJ Detail, back here somewhere. Give me a buff and shine hat, and we're over here at the buff and shine booth just checking out their different pads, their new materials that they're using now in their pads, and especially the coolest thing that they have is edge guards. Edge guards are some of the coolest pads that they make, especially when I'm doing, like, for example, a really contoured car, or I'm getting near, for example, like a motorcycle, and some of Harley especially. I'm trying to get in those cracks and crevices without risking backing plate damaging any type of nearby surface. I'll use those edge guards. Let me show you those. Day one is pretty much over. We got to see a lot of different things from the South Hall to the Central Hall and to the West Hall. So tomorrow you're gonna check out exactly, so in the next video you're gonna see exactly what else we see in SEMA. So stay tuned for the next video. Comment down below what you think we're gonna see, and make sure to subscribe and like this video so you can see the next video as well. Peace out.